The cooling water system on board vessels are designed for operation in 32 degrees centigrade seawater and 100% engine load, and the auxiliary equipment runs as if this condition is permanent. However, the seawater temperatures of the oceans are not 32 degrees all over the world. Actually, there are only a few hotspots where these conditions are present. This means that the cooling system in 95% of operation time is absorbing too much energy. So what is the system all about? DESMI OptiSave consists of the following main components: marine-approved frequency converters, master control panel, and sensors. The pumps are individually connected to a marine-approved frequency converter, and sensors are strategically installed in the cooling water system. All sensors and frequency converters are connected to the master control panel. The master control panel is equipped with a color touch screen. Here, the crew can observe the condition of the system and, most importantly, the actual savings, day by day. When DESMI designed the OptiSave system, one of our main focus areas was safe operation and reliability, according to class requirements. This has been done by incorporating a number of fail-safe modes. For example, if a wire for a sensor breaks, or if the master control panel is power off, the speed of the pumps increases automatically to 100% speed to ensure sufficient cooling. The intelligence of the DESMI OptiSave system ensures maximum savings and at the same time a safe and reliable operation of the cooling water system on board our vessel. Furthermore, all alarms and events will be logged and can be transferred to the alarm system on the vessel. DESMI OptiSave is quickly installed without modification on the vessel's safety functions and with minimum modification to the existing equipment. In just 4 to 6 days, depending on the size of the system, we can completely install and commission your new DESMI OptiSave system. The OptiSave system has all you need, but more can be added to this advanced, user-friendly system. The system is modular, future-proof, and suitable for both new building and retrofit. And add-ons can be made for freshwater cooling system and engine room fans, which are easily connected to the system. DESMI OptiSave can be installed all over the world. We have companies on 28 locations in 15 countries. Our expertise and service are found globally and locally.